As you know me, I'm Mr. B on Charity Podcast. Re wena, ka wena. Ntle le wena, ga ona rona. Ga re be wena, I'm Charity Podcast. You must be Charity Podcast. Bona. Ka pelenyana, Mamelodi Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs. Today it's a draw 1-1. Guys, let's go to the match. Ka mokgwa o re boneng. Our coach, Fernando de Cruz, starting 11 sa hae, ke na le complain ka sona ke sa itseng gore lona a ke re ra thusana. I'm not alone in this thing. I'm not alone. So a re thusaneng guys. Commenta o kwale gore wena o bone bjang match, and then re itse gore coach ra rena re ka mo advise bjang gore a etse eng gore a improve. Rena re podcast ela. We don't just focus on problems. We must also come up with solutions. Ke rena bao Charity Podcast. So coach o tlile ka defensive starting 11 because of how ka lebella mo le no tletse lot of defenders wa e bona. So a re itse gore whether yena na tlilo defender na tletse draw or bjang a ke re a re itse, but re tla utlwa ka yena mo arabe ke gore yena na ikemiseditseng because of, remember, defensive means you are protecting yourself from attack. So the question nana ke potsa after half time o tlo attack, so o mpontshitse gore a tlelo attack, and then yes o bone gore wa utlwella o lebella Charity Podcast. Ke boletse mabane ka re game ya today e tlhoka experience. Ha o no tsentsha motho fela, you must be experienced to play against that team. So at least o nkutlweletse a tsentsha Pule Mmodi, ke ntho e le gore nna ntse ke e batla gore Pule Mmodi must be there as the experienced player, whether gore o tlo performa or bjang, but you can't write off that guy. Kore appearance ya hae e etsa gore batho ba lose focus gore if you can write this guy off, he can make a magic anytime. Pule Mmodi. So well done coach. Ka o thoma ka Pule Mmodi, ko bethela matsogo. Thanks for listening to us as Charity Podcast. Today we didn't have strikers. De Silva is injured. I don't know about Igodaro. No strikers today. Moloi Sane. Yo, na ke sa nagane gore coach a ka tsentsha Moloi Sane ka pele bjana as a center back. Na ho ya ka nna as a center back, especially as a player, not as a center back, you must be prepared mentally. Not ube fit fela le ka, you must be fit le upstairs. So o mmakaditsa tsentsha Moloi Sane, but well done to Moloi Sane, ha etsa blunder because of, you know, ho tsentsha a player ka big match, he can make mistakes, and then you can't blame the player. You understand? So well done to Moloi Sane. Miguel ne ntse ke mmatla le nna gore a tsene. Well done coach by selecting Miguel. Ke boletse le mabane ka re Miguel is needed. He must start the game. Ke ntho e nna ke e boletseng mabane. So thanks coach for doing that. A thoma ka Bartman. At least nka thomile ka well Mdu Shabalala is because of maybe fitness, but at least one dile Duba. At least nka thomile one dile Duba than Bartman. Wa e bona ke ntho e le goreng because of nna ke nyaka match o mogolo o tshameke ke motho e le goreng o na le experience ya ona, so that gore he rena re o blame re itse gore na le experience, because of you can't blame someone e le goreng ke gona fitlha ha understand the philosophy ya coacharo o batla eng. So nna o ya ka nna nka tsensitse Duba, and then do well maybe because of fitness a mtsense second half, and then great pass by Ndlovu in the first half. That pass e batlile e baka goal. So great pass by Ndlovu, and then Ndlovu nkhatlile because of nna ka mokho ke itseng the boy o nkhatlile a ba rough today. Na iketlile man, na enjoya man. Well done boy, well done Ndlovu for not getting yellow card early of the match, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. And then Nake Kalema Maboy. You know, playing against your former team is a problem, guys. Like Maboy o batla ho tswella all over, o defa unnecessary pressure because of every player ha e tshameka le former team. O batla ba bontsha hore you guys made a mistake by releasing me. I'm still Maboy that you know. You understand? But sometimes you can cost the team. Just like Mabanda Bolela Kere, Gaston Siruno Nakradi unnecessary yellow cards. But Hanse Aya, I wanna or no man. I'm giving myself unnecessary pressure. Let me just relax. When you play against your former team, you must relax. Relax, man. So thanks, Mabuwe. And then another guy, Muteto. Ah, well done, boy. Well done, boy. Well done, boy. Like, Utsamikile Monat. Go like midfield waren Nole Monat because of nearly three midfielders. That is why a coach Unari will replace one of the midfielders. Unfortunately, Ndlovu agreed a goal. So, Airang, Aimisa Chisle, Tele, Nathansa Chisle Telemang, Tasingwa. Yeah, since Chisle Telem Tasingwa. And then Ogariliman Liduba, yes, one delay two. So, Sbongiselim Tetwa, well done, boy. You improved a lot. I'm proud of you. Le lona la bona. Nna re charity podcast mo e le goreng he motho a etsa ntho e pila re tlo mo compliment. Ha re podcast tse ding tse e le goreng focus ya rona is on the problem only. No. We must give a boy advice gore a etse eng. So well done, boy, for controlling the midfield. Well done, well done. And then like ke boletse ka di-referee. As a referee, you must understand the emotions of players and coaching staff because of this is a big game. Coaches are frustrated, players are frustrated. Everyone batla win. Like on. So a referee I no understand the emotions because of he was quick to give Kaizer Chiefs players yellow cards, but he was very slow to give Mamelodi Sundowns yellow cards. Artom, there's a guy Johannes all over the dreads. O pushitse dipelara habedi. Referee mona morefa but no yellow card. And then I feel later a tackle but no yellow card. But Miguel, one mistake, yellow card. So it's a problem. It's a problem. So, and then one thing, Coach Fernando de Cruz, we have short players. We don't have tall players. So please try by all means to advise the players to play the carpet football because of always bolo ya kodim and then Bartman kom kutswane. We don't at least maybe we have the silver Igodaro, yes, we know we have tall guys, but as long we don't have them for now, let's try carpet football by all means because of Renali Dubam Duduzi Villagas, Bartman, Pili, so let's try by all means to use carpet football. Start it on Monday, on Tuesday session, training session, and then it will work. It will work. And then Obas, yellow card, good decision by the referee. Ela you can't deny it. O tla go batsa motho. O tla go batsa motho. And then Coach Cardoso, ke na le problem. You played very well. O tshameka ka Thembazwane. Wa o sa tsentse Thembazwane. Wa o tsaya nako to replace, to substitute. You can't replace Kabo 74 minutes, 70 minutes. All coaches, please. This thing, yalabolai. Don't substitute late, guys. Because of you expect the magic. A player can't do a magic 15 minutes, guys. So at least 60 minutes, substitute. You played very well like a combination ya Mailula. Le Thembazwane. But I would say Thembazwane. I don't understand. It's a problem. And then you come to this game, got new players. Got big game, new players. I mean, come on, guys. And then if you check out first half, I'm disappointed. That first half, it was very slow, man. Nearly quiet. Kaizer Chiefs one shot on target, one until half time. Mamelodi Sundowns no shot on target. Come on, guys. So it was a boring first half. But yes, second half, Kaizer Chiefs dominated. And then after Cassius Mailula, Athena, that's when Sundowns hit Tomileng Hope. So next match, Cardoso, please, at least if maybe Mailula is because of fitness, at least 60 minutes, introduce the boy. Introduce the boy. And then I'm surprised to Augustin's center back got such a big game. You can blame the boy, but you can't. Johannes, obvious. He is not prepared to play against Kaizer Chiefs. So when I say coach Wamalatle, so obvious, he's going to cost you. Right? So Tembazwani not okay. Whether Komuholo, but that experience, that appearance is needed. Right? So well done, Fernando de Cruz. So which means Fernando de Cruz came to the stadium to defend. So I don't know the plan. So le lena ko tlase ko commentang le boleleng hore are you happy about the starting 11? Are you happy about the performance? Now I'm worried because of I don't know whether he's able to attack or not. Because of today, maybe he came for draw. Maybe next matches he wants to win. Because of I introduced Album Fundo Villagas. So I don't know. But you know, plan is a plan. Maybe it's a plan. Maybe next match he can win. We don't know. So I get it, you can't judge a coach by only 3 matches. At least you must give a coach 7 matches or 8 matches. Or at least the starting 11 is high because of now I get it, introduce new players. So but today, thanks for listening to us by putting experienced players, Pule Modi, Miguel, Quinika, Mutetwa, Dlovu, Mabui. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. That game needed experienced people. And then referees, please, man. Try by all means to be fair. Try by all means to understand emotions of players and coaches. It's a big game. You must expect those things. Don't just give unnecessary yellow cards, which is like you don't understand a human being. And then please, you must try to talk to a player. Warn him at least, rather than Horomufe yellow card. Please, guys. We love these teams. We support these teams. So, I'm Mr. B on Charity Podcast. Rewena, Kawen. I started the podcast as the unknown person. I'm not from TV. I'm not from radio. I don't have any background of entertainment. But Black Child, I'm here so far. I'm still learning. I'm coachable. I do the research. I do the work. Well, patience, perseverance is a matter of success. Do it. Don't wait. Procrastination is a demon because of you'll keep on saying, I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll do it tomorrow. Procrastination is a disease. Wake up and do it. I'm Mr. B on Charity Podcast. Rewen, Kawen. See you next time. King Saival.